Hi, this is Dr. Santosh Nimbalkar, Director, Developmental and Behavioral Pediatrician, Moria Child Development Center. We are going to start a 5-day online workshop on new age parenting where we'll be covering about the child's development, the child's behavior, and the various other issues, the academic issues, the problems with media, mobile addiction, what are the different parenting styles. All this will be covering in this 5-day online workshop for the parents. Colleagues, friends, we have been working in this field for the past 22 years, and with my experience, what I've noticed is that there is an absence of coordination between the child and the parent as well as the teachers. So this program will be child centric and parent centric, where we'll be trying to focus on the problems of the child, where the parents will be able to handle them in such a manner as to, in such a way that the child will be able to overcome his problems because of the change in his cognitive thinking, his emotional liability, where he can change it, where he can control it, regulate it. So all these issues will be covered in this 5-day online workshop, starting with the first day, which we are going to start on how does the child develop, what are the milestones, what are the different domains of development, which are the areas of development. Is it just a physical development of the growth? More than that, it's the cognitive development, and more so than that, it's the emotional development and the social development, which has a great impact on building up the personality and the upliftment of the child and also the society. So we'll be tackling about the development issue, development problems, and how we should handle it. We are also going to talk about how a child should develop its self-esteem and the various smaller issues of behavioral issues that impede his development. Friends, we are also going to talk about the academic issues that the child faces. What are the study habit techniques? What are the problems that he faces? Is the child intelligent? Is my child intelligent? Is the question that comes forth. Or is it just that the other issues which are actually are impending in his academic achievements? So is this the issue, or is this the lack of his intelligence? All this will be handled in this 5-day online workshop. Are the study habits good enough for him to excel, or is it that he needs to change something? We are also going to talk about the current huge problem that today the parents and by and large the whole of the society is facing, that is mobile addiction, screen time, and addiction to social medias like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc., etc. So we'll be talking and dealing with all these problems and how to overcome them. We are also going to talk about what is positive disciplining. What are the do's and don'ts of disciplining a child? We are also going to talk about the different types of parenting styles and which is the best. Which is the best parenting style that the parent should adopt, and how he should be able to adjust himself in dealing with his child. These are some of the problems, these are some of the issues or the focus areas which we are going to handle. There are also other issues, like if there is a single parent, if the child is getting addicted to something apart from the mobile addiction, as he entered into some group of antisocial elements, how should we handle those areas? These are some of the issues that we are going to cover in this 5-day online workshop, which will be starting in April 2024. The other issues or the other areas which we are going to focus is also how are the parents in the ancient time, in ancient India, used to use the techniques. What are the types, what are the parenting styles that were adopted during ancient India? So these are some of the focus areas which we are going to cover up, so that every parent is able to equip himself in handling his or her child. Thank you.